tablet counting filling line, bottle sorting, installing desiccant electronic counting filling machine, capping, aluminum foil sealing, labeling. The tablet counting filling line is a set of efficient and automated pharmaceutical packaging equipment suitable for quantitative filling of solid preparations such as tablets and capsules. The production line starts with unpacking bottles, automatically arranging empty bottles and transporting them to the next process. Subsequently, the desiccant loading equipment puts an appropriate amount of desiccant into the bottle to ensure a dry pharmaceutical storage environment. The electronic tablet counting filling machine uses high-precision sensors to accurately count and fill tablets, ensuring an accurate quantity in each bottle. The capping machine automatically tightens the bottle cap, and the aluminum foil sealing machine seals the bottle mouth to ensure the moisture-proof and anti-counterfeiting of the medicine. Finally, the labeling machine labels the bottle and completes the entire packaging process. This production line has the characteristics of high efficiency, precision, and hygiene, and is widely used in the pharmaceutical industry.